Welcome to the second video in a 10-part guide where we cover kitchen planning and design for your kitchen renovation in Canberra. If you like my channel, subscribe and also click the bell to be notified of videos as we release them. In a moment I am going to show you various kitchen layouts. The main ones are the Galley, L-shape, U-shape, Peninsula, Island, one-wall layouts. The Galley style runs along the walls of both sides of the kitchen area and is particularly suited for narrow areas. It is not so popular in recent times due to the prominence of the open-plan style of homes. The L-shape is ideal for small to medium or narrow space. The L-shaped kitchen is situated in the corner of the room and can help integrate the kitchen into other adjoining areas. The L-shape has two legs with the most common length of the main kitchen wall being up to 3,500 mm. The remaining leg can be any length, but should be at least 900 mm long. This shape is often seen with an island bench as part of the layout. It is a great option when large spaces are available. Next is the U-shape. This is a commonly used layout. This shape will provide plenty of bench space and defines the kitchen space more distinctly than other layouts. The Peninsula layout is very similar to a back-wall, island-style kitchen. The difference with the Peninsula layout is that the kitchen island is anchored to a wall and there will be only one entrance into the kitchen. The Peninsula layout is a great option for open-plan homes or apartments where his space is not too big. The Peninsula is not best suited for multiple cooks. The island layout is most often for people that consider themselves as entertainers and who prefer a social kitchen. This allows the cook to interact with their guests and the family during the day-to-day tasks and helps make the kitchen the heart of the home. One wall, as the name suggests, has the whole kitchen along one wall or line and is often used in apartments where floor space is limited. This layout needs one wall that is at least 2,000 mm and up 3,000 mm in length will be required to incorporate a functional space. It is important to ensure the work zone does not become congested, which can happen if all the appliances are grouped together. It is best to place the dishwasher towards the end of the cabinet run, the fridge towards the other end, and the cooking zone should be placed closer to the fridge. As there are limitations on space, it is important to use the whole space available. This will mean incorporating overhead units throughout the entire length, with the depth and height varied to allow for adequate clearance around the sink and cleaning zone. Due to big improvements in hardware systems, there is much easier access and use of overhead units. Limited space can also be overcome via the use of sliding doors, push-to-open units or electronic touch systems. Whatever your goal and budget, we are here to help you through the kitchen renovation process. Thanks for watching this video about the kitchen layouts for your kitchen renovation in Canberra, or for your new home. If you found it useful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. In the next video we will talk about space planning. Look for the link below to subscribe to the full series to be sent to your inbox.